Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay January 5, 2025 Sunday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong January 5, 2025 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 2 p.m. draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto, 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, January 5, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto and January 5, 2025 Sunday. Here is the tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, January 5, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for January 5, 2025 Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.